All right, so good morning to all of you. This sponsored to channel. Yesterday I had like 1354 drop 1345. Yeah, so but life goes on, life goes on. Today I have a very wonderful calculation to show, and I hope this evening that number will drop. That number will drop. I hope that number will drop this evening. So I'm going to take you through, but I'll add some other plan to it. If you don't have money to stake, it's not by force. Somebody was typing a long thesis yesterday on my platform. If you don't have money to stake it's not by force. There are people who are willing to stake, so let them to stake. If you don't have money, that is why I give the number to banker, 2 short 3 numbers. So if your strength is for the 3 numbers, you stake it. But you don't hold brief for others. There are others who are willing to stake even 10 numbers permutation. I realize that when the number, even the permutation drop, people send me money, so people stake it. So I allow them to stake. Alright, so thank you very much just for this thing. So I'm to go somewhere this morning, so I have to hurry up and then put my plan on the platform. So this is a midweek transfer to Friday bonanza. It's a midweek transfer to Friday bonanza. So you meet day 79 over here. Then follow with 30 column as last boss with 13 machine. Alright, counting with you can meet 61 drop and repeat under SF. Then when the 79 was here, then you come and see 48 under the 48 under the 61. So 79 double 3 represent last boss number. 13 will go to machine. Then 61 come and drop and repeat. Then you see 48 under the 61. Then here you come Friday version. There's 48 here rather. Instead of 79 you saw 48 over here. 37 last boss number represent last boss number. Then 13 will be at machine. You see counting with you come and 61 to drop and repeat. Then 79 also comes. So the 79 and the 48 interchange. There's 79 here, 61 drop repeats, 48 came under it. But here 48, 61 came to drop and repeat, 79 came under it. Alright, so if that is the case, along continuous, we are here, midweek version, we are here. You see, that 61 must come and split. The 61 come and split. Alright, so today we expect that addition 61 drop in Friday bonanza. Friday bonanza must drop addition 67, so 61. So what do? What you first have to do for me is that you subtract this 33 from 61. You see? Subtract the 63 from 61. You'll be getting 28. Alright, 28. So that 28 that you get is from 76. We'll give you this 48. If you subtract the double 3 from the 61, you'll be getting 28. That 28 from 76 is this 48. Alright. So you write the 48 down. Now you write the 48 down. That 48. So this number from this double 3 from 60. This 61 is what gave you this 28. And I'm saying that you are going to use a key for a certain key. The key is 76. So the 28 from 76 is this 48. Alright, 48. So this double 3 we must go and subtract from the same 76. You'll be getting 43. 43. So along counting with, you realize that the 48 will come and drop. Then the 43 will go to machine. Therefore, take the 2 numbers as 2 direct. This 33 from 60, this 61 will give you 28. So if you subtract the 28 from 76, is this 48 over here under the 61. So therefore, go and subtract the double 3 from the same 76. You're getting 43. Along counting with that 48 will come. You see, then the 43 will go to machine. Therefore, stake 2 numbers. Since the 2 of them went, this one from 76, this one from 76, and they all came to machine and win. Stake the 28, 33, 2 direct. Come here, let's see something. Here, you go and subtract the 37 from 61 again. You'll be getting 24. We get it 24. That 24 from 103 is this 79. Is this 79? Alright. Therefore, this 37 from 103 will give me double 6. So along counting with this 79 will move and come and drop. The double 6 will go to machine. 24 37 is your 2 direct. 24 37 is your 2 direct. Let me go over it again. Then now, if you subtract this number from 61, you'll be getting 24. That 24 from 103. So if you subtract it from 103, this one too must go from the same number. So counting is that the numbers will come and drop machine and winning. then the addition 61 figures will come. So if this one from 61 gave you 24, the 24 from 103 is this 79 under the 61. You see, 24 from 103 will give you 61. So this 37 from 103 will give you double 6. So as that can do, the 79 will move and come, just like the way this 48 moved and came here, which is the 28 from 76, and the double 3 from 76 give you 43 machine. The same way, this 37 from 61 will give you 24. 24 from 103 is the 79 here. You see, therefore, this 37 from 103 will give you double 6. So along counting with the 79 will drop, and then the double 6 will go to machine. Therefore, 24, 37, 2 direct, addition 61, 2 direct. Clear 2 direct. Now let me show you something again about the plan. If you come here, you realize that before the 48 came to drop, 1, 2, 3, 4, the double 6 was here. If you come here too, you realize that 1, 2, 3, 4, the 43 was here. So they interchange. You see the thing, they interchange. You see, so here too, they interchange. Alright, so if they interchange, it is this 43 plus 1 is this 44 over here. This 43 here plus 1 is the 44 over here. You see, so this double 62 plus 1 is this 67 over here. This double 6 plus 1 is this. You see, so after the 48 drop and the 43 went to machine, this 43 must go and subtract from this 44 again to give you single one. So single one is constant banker. So after the 79 drop and double 6 went to machine, the double 6 must go and subtract from the 61 and give you single one again. You see, so the single one is a banker on the event. It's a banker on the event. Now let's go and see something. When you count from where the 3748 was, you come and see 34 over here. Here. From the double 3 and the 79, you go and see 57 here. Alright. So when the 43 drop over here, there's 17 here. See, there's 17 here. There's 17 here. Then here, when the double 6 drop, there's 84 here. 84 here. Now, if you counter the 84, you'll be getting 39. You see, 39. So that 39 plus this 57 is addition of 96. So from here to here, you saw this 57. And I'm saying that along counting ways, you come and see double 6, this double 6 over here. The double 6 are interchanged with the 43. Then you see a number here, the 4 box number. So here it is 84. Counter the 84, you'll be getting 39. 39 plus of this 57. 39 plus of this 57. If you counter the 84, you get 39. 39 plus of this 57 is addition 96. Therefore, the 2 also came. The 2 also came. The 39 57 came. So if you come here, from here to here, you met 34. 34. That's 34. Counting with, if you meet the 43 here, the 43, you know the 43 and double 6 were interchanging. So you saw double 6 over there. Here it is 43. You see, so you see 4 balls number to be hot, 17. Counter the 17, you'll be getting 62. 62 plus of what? This 34 here. The 62 plus 34 will also give you 96. Therefore, I added 34, 62 as 2 direct. As 2 direct. So I don't want to go over it again. So that is all. So let me show you the other plan that I'm having. You see, Lotto drop this 63, 73 position. But the yes interchange position, 63 was first, 73 was a second. Somebody was talking about only my 2 show get close and that. Charlie, you have to do business. If you have money, just take the 2 show. If you don't have money, take the 2 show. If you have, it's take. It's not by force. After all, not everybody even rewards me. So if you don't reward me, I'll not go force you now. So here too, you see 73 at first boss. You understand it? Then 63. They will interchange. So there's a reason for the interchanging. The reason why the 63 was at first and 73 was at second, and here 73 at first, 63. I'll show you why. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Since this and this are addition 136, 2 numbers addition 136 are on the line. 59, 77. So how do you get those numbers? Count and come here. You saw this thing here 4. Then you saw 80 here. You saw 80 here. Then here, you come and see 80 here. Then you saw 15. So here the single 4 was with what? 81. Then here, the 15 was with what? Was with what? 43. You understand it? Alright, so you have to go and subtract. If you want to get the addition of what? 130, then you can't think with, you come and see 77 from here. You see this 77. So again, I triangulate. I try to triangulate. Somebody was laughing yesterday. I triangulate them. So you see, I triangulate them. Single 4, 80, 77. So if you want to get addition 136 figures, you have to go and subtract this single 4 from the first box number. So single 4 from this 63 will give 59. The 59 plus of this 77 is the 136. You see, so that 59 will first go plus 21 and drop 80. 1, 2, 3. They will see the 80. Then the following week, the 59 will come with the 77. Let me go over it again. Single 4 with 81 over here. That's single 4 from the first number, 59. 59 plus of the 77 here is 136. So that 59 plus 21 will first drop what? 80. Then the 59 will be banker against the 77. If you come here, the numbers are 80. There's 80 is constant figure here. Then you see 15. You see. Then you come and mark 78 over here. So I triangulate them again. So if you come here, since the 63 is no longer at first box, leave it out. Go and subtract the 15 over here from this 73. You're getting 58. The 58 plus of what? This 78 is the 136 figure. You see, the 63 is no longer at first, so the number at first is what we have to use. It's using position. So use 15 from the hot 73. You get 58. The 58 plus of what? 78 is the 136. Therefore, that 58 plus 21 is this 79 over here. Therefore, 58, 78 is too short. Addition 136. Addition 136. Addition 136. Now, if you count and come here, you see 75. From here to here, you see 75. From here to here, you see there's 75 over here. So I don't know whether the 75 came directly. So you can, those of you who have money, you can use it. You can add 75. But this is what I have seen. I saw that the 81 with the single 4 over here from 118 is this 37. The 81 from 118 is this 37. So from position to position. If you come here, it is 43. The 43 from 118 is this 75. You see? So the interchange, the 75 came here, and then the 37 must come here. The interchange, since this 81 from 118 is the 37 here, and then the 43 from 118 is what? 75 over here. The 75 rather came here. You see, rather came here, and then the 37 must come here. Why am I saying that? It means that you see the 15 over here. You see. So it means that the 1575, these numbers, the two of them move here. You see 1575, they are here. So you have to go and move single 437 too. So it's vice versa. You see, so rather use the 37 wisely, then add 75 in the long pen. You see, this from 118 75, so center to center. Then here 81 from 118 is 37, so from last to last. You see, so if you see 75 over here, 37 is 1 to 90 here currently. So the number you use to subtract from the numbers to get the addition 136 figures, they also interchange. So the 75 went to pick the 15, and they all came here. So the 4 will also come and pick the 37, and they all hot come here. All right. So the only number I didn't search over there was what? The 83. All right. So these are the numbers. So my Friday bonanza, my banker is 37. Too sure it's 37.24. I'm talking about the first plan. Then 24, 37, 71. You see, this is my best 3 numbers. Then the other plan, the same planner is giving me 34.62. Also too sure. 34.62, also too sure. Then the second plan that I just showed right now is giving me 58, 78, addition of this thing, addition of 136. Then single 4, 37 is also too sure. So 37 is here, so it will not be plenty numbers. You see. So if you want best 4 numbers, you can just do it like this: 24, 37, single 1, single 4, because the single 1 37, single 4 37 is also another 2 sure here. You see. So 58 70 2 sure, single 4 37 2 sure, 24. But my 2 sure that I will bet on today is 24 37. Addition 61 figures. 24 37 is 2 direct. 24 37 is 2 direct. You see. Thank you very much for another wonderful section with you. I have to go. I have to be somewhere this morning. I will not come early. That is why I tried posting as early as possible before early. Thank you very much for being there. Grateful.